Give me some. No. Please. I'm gonna have to change this chocolate. Koya? What? What's happening? It hurts. It hurts. No, it hurts. It hurts. Are you okay? No, it hurts. It hurts. Oh, I can't help. Oh, my ear. Oh, it hurts. Please come here. What? It hurts. Wait, it hurts. Wait. Oh, it hurts. No, it hurts. What should I do? Oh, I have. It hurts. Didn't work. Okay, I'm gonna use this. It hurts. There is something that I can help him. I came up with a great idea. What? It hurts. This is working. Well done. I think it's gonna work. I took it. What a relief. Be careful. Hi. Take care. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Thank you for calling a doctor. Which one you want? Red one. Then here you go. Thanks. Nemi and me. That shark! The shark is gonna eat the frog! Oh!
Koya and Nemi KidsLine!
Koya! Koya, wake up! I'll be right there. Wakey, wakey! All right. Good morning. Good morning. Go ahead. Again. Hey, Mom. I want to eat something different. What are you talking about? Eat up, eat up. I want to eat different things. Let me see. There it is. I'm gonna get fish for breakfast. I can do it. Oh. Can I get it? Oh no. Oh, can I get it? How can I? It's a frog. I can't get anything. I can't. That's shark. The shark is gonna eat the frog. Oh! Oh my! Is there? Well, is there anything else I can do? I'm going to help! Go! Hurry up! Hurry up! I saved her.